guys, I installed my intake today. So I did do the install. It's just that it started raining, so I don't even think it's worth posting, because literally like 2 minutes into my install it started raining. So I'm probably not gonna post it, guys. Well, show you. It's easy. It's not one of those intakes that are a pain in the butt to install, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do a little blabbering, not gonna lie to you. I do a little blabbering, but I'm just showing you guys that I love this car so much. I just love it. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys haven't, like, comment, subscribe, guys. If you want to see the Beamer go crazy, we're gonna get it unlocked next, and then titanium charge pipes, and that's it for now. We'll talk about big turbo if I decide going that route. I'm not sure as of right now. Hope you guys can hear me. It's a little windy. It's getting nippy out, guys. I did wash her, but let me show you guys the intake. I already installed it. I tried to do an install video, but it started raining. You may or may not know, your boy don't got a garage anymore, so this is what we did. Intake. CTS dropped the ball though, because these are all supposed to be like threaded, and they didn't send me them threaded at all, so they are gonna send me a new one. And yeah, other than that, all we did is intake, downpipe, trans tune, which I'm not going to show you or review that today, and JB4. Alright guys, here's a sound test. Now before we get started on this, everybody's going to say I need motor mounts, but I guess it's a B58 thing where the motors flex, because I've looked up countless videos, and everybody who does pulls with lower miles than I have 30,000 miles, guys, remember. So the yaw flex. I'll give an example here.
There you go. Oh yeah.
Here, today's date night, boys, but let's talk about the car. Let's talk about the car. Yeah, this car is amazing, guys. I actually absolutely love this car, guys. Best purchase I've made, honestly. I hope you guys can hear me too, because the wind. This dude in front of me is definitely drunk. But obviously, new day. I got a different shirt on, but when I do this rip, guys, you're gonna have to hear it. So anyways, finish this video off. I love this car, and let's listen to this intake. Fire intake. Intake is amazing. Everything's fire. So we can hear it right here. Once this light turns the colors I need it to turn. As you guys may or may not know, on the B58s, the intakes don't do anything. They don't add power, really. Like studies show, they don't add no power. So we just got it for the noise. We spent $260 for the noise, pretty much. So yeah, but listen to this. I'll put my window down so you guys can hear this a little. Yo, this car literally, like, it's crazy, man. It's crazy. This car is crazy. This car is the best car I've owned, for sure. Like, just those noises. The noises are insane. Oh my God. And she just dips, guys. The car just dips. I hope you guys can hear that. Oh my God. Oh my God. But listen, this car just sends me back. Ready?